Well, that was traumatizing. We were anchored in Little Shark River, and the worst bugs I have ever seen in my entire life, even though we were completely covered up and we had bug spray on. I'm going to show you what the boat looks like now. This is not dirt. These are all bugs that have completely covered the boat. Mosquitoes and no-see-ums. It was insane. It was insanely bad, and you can see we still got some no-see-ums up on the ceiling, and like our ceiling looks like a battle zone, killing all the mosquitoes. We opened that hatch and put the screen on to put the Starlink out, and they just all swarmed in on us. I have never seen anything like that before in my life.
See you out there.